Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix Telegram video not playing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Telegram video not playing, first open up your Telegram app and we'll be going through some fixes on which we can try to fix the Telegram video not playing, guys. So after opening your Telegram on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings and scroll down and you can see the data and storage option available for us over here just below the notifications and sounds. Tap on data storage, and over here now you will be using certain media or certain network to download the Telegram videos. So you can see here it says when using mobile data, when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming. So currently, depending upon which one you're using, open that settings by tapping on it. I'll be going to the when using the mobile data, and over here you can see if the video is not playing, there is the videos option available for us. Check either it's turned off or on and tap on it and you can see videos will be played. So in order to customize it even further, if it's not playing, tap on videos, and over here you can see here it says the maximum video size, and in order to increase it so that the videos on Telegram play, swipe the swiper of the maximum video size to the upper size depending upon how much data load you can handle. You can see it's up to 2 GBs. And with that being done, guys, after customizing your maximum video size, you can also choose to preload your larger videos by tapping on this button over here where it says the preload larger videos. So guys, this was on the mobile data section. You can try that on when connected to Wi-Fi. Turn on the videos and tap on video settings. You can change the maximum video size, guys. You can also check these where it says auto download videos and gifts from contact, private chats, group chats and channels. Enable it and change your maximum video size depending upon your data load. You can see over here it goes up to 2 GBs, and you can also see the preload larger videos over here. And let's go back, and this similar setting is available for when roaming, you can see. And with that being done, guys, you can see you'll be required to choose all of these in order to change the size of the maximum video size. So I can change it, and if you want to preload larger videos, tap on it, and if you tap on save, and this kind of settings will be saved on your phone. And with that being done, guys, so let's save it. I forgot to save it, so let's save it. And with that being done, guys, you can see your video size was minimum and it will start to play. And this is how to fix Telegram video not playing. And with that being said, guys, if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.